Ever feel like Brussels is just a bunch of people in suits making rules that have nothing to do with you? Well, think again. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways the European Union has secretly made your life better, safer, and even a little bit cheaper. And trust me, you probably haven't even noticed most of them. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, safer stuff everywhere. Remember the last time you bought a toy for a kid, or even just did your weekly grocery shop? You probably didn't spend a second worrying if it was safe. That's because the EU has some of the strictest food safety and consumer product standards in the world. From the pesticides used on your fruit and veg to the chemicals in your cosmetics, there are thousands of pages of regulations designed to keep you and your family safe. So next time you bite into a crisp apple, you can thank the EU for making sure it's not just delicious, but also safe to eat. Next up at number 4, let's talk about travel. Picture this: you're at the airport, hyped for your holiday, and then your flight is delayed by hours, or worse, cancelled. Nightmare, right? Well, thanks to EU passenger rights, that nightmare comes with a silver lining. If you're flying from or to an EU country with an EU airline, you could be entitled to up to €600 in compensation, plus food and accommodation. It's a powerful safety net that holds airlines accountable and turns a travel disaster into a less stressful inconvenience. It's a game changer that many people don't even know exists until they need it most. At number 3, we have a topic that's been on everyone's mind: our health. The EU is a powerhouse when it comes to medical research. By pooling resources from member states, it funds groundbreaking studies and clinical trials that no single country could afford on its own. This collaboration was crucial during the pandemic, speeding up the development and approval of vaccines. It also means quicker access to new medicines for rare diseases and a unified approach to health crises. This teamwork in science and medicine is quietly saving lives and improving health outcomes for millions across the continent every single day. Sliding into our number 2 spot is something you use every single time you go online: your data. Ever wonder why you see those "accept cookies" banners everywhere? That's the GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, in action. Before GDPR, companies could pretty much do whatever they wanted with your personal information. Now, thanks to these EU rules, you have the right to know what data is being collected, why it's being collected, and you can even ask for it to be deleted. It gives you back control over your digital footprint, making the internet a safer and more transparent place for everyone. And finally, the number 1 way the EU has changed your life without you noticing is by making your digital life cheaper and easier. Remember when going abroad meant turning off your mobile data to avoid a massive bill? The EU's Roam Like at Home policy scrapped those crazy roaming charges within the Union. And that's not all. They've also cracked down on geo-blocking, which means you're less likely to be blocked or overcharged when shopping online from another EU country. Whether you restreaming your favorite show on holiday or snagging a bargain from a website across the border, the EU's single market is working behind the scenes to save you money. So there you have it, 5 massive positive changes to your daily life, all thanks to the EU. It's not just about politics and paperwork. It's about tangible benefits that make our lives safer, fairer, and more connected. What do you think? Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that uncovers the hidden stories shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.